but alt season is here. That's Banana's own signature. Crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, breaking out. We should see a gigantic acceleration. Look at the acceleration we had back in 2020. It just exploded from 80 to 1,000. So that's 80 billion to $1 trillion. And we will see something more extraordinary this time, I believe. So let's look at a bit of price action, just because you want to know what's happening. Bitcoin, banana zone. Solana, banana. Hasn't broken the all-time high properly yet. It's kind of messing around. The all-time high is higher, but banana centrale.
The CEO and founder of Real Vision, Raoul Pal, is making waves with his most recent observations about the cryptocurrency market. He thinks that altcoin season is about to happen. One of the most eagerly awaited stages of any cryptocurrency bull market is this one, particularly for investors who are prepared to search for smaller, high-potential assets that have the potential to yield exceptional profits. According to Pal, the crypto bull market has been in full swing for several months, and Bitcoin has been at the forefront, reaching historic highs and solidifying its place among the world's most valuable assets. As of this week, Bitcoin has soared past previous records, trading above $90,000 per coin. Raoul Pal also, however, has bigger goals in mind than Bitcoin. With Ethereum perhaps reaching $20,000 and Solana outperforming Ethereum, he expects an altcoin surge that might provide even more astounding gains. He believes that altcoin season will present previously unheard-of opportunities for individuals who are ready to take advantage of them. Before we dive deeper into Raoul Pal's projections and market analysis, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more updates and insights. Thank you for your support and enjoy the video.
The other thing is back to the macro, because the macro drives everything. The Institute of Supply Managers Survey, the ISM, that's the guide to the business cycle. You know, how much money is your business earning? How much money are you earning? It's all hidden in that thing, and it's still low, which is why a lot of us feel like, oh, the economy's not really working yet. But the forward-looking financial conditions, which is based about rates and the dollar and oil prices, are forward-looking basis, very positive for the business cycle. So we should see a lot of kind of economic activity and feel-good factor within ourselves ahead. So that's very important because it drives altcoin season. We care about altcoin season because that's when you make the big fucking bucks. Altcoin season, here's altcoin's percentage of Bitcoin total market cap. We are likely to, we follow the ISM, it's the ISM I've shown you, is going to pick up. Well, what we're going to see is altcoins dominance rising massively and Bitcoin dominance falling, and us being able to make a lot of money in the smaller stuff rather than Bitcoin. Smaller stuff, you know, for me, the bets for me are Solana and Sui, but you all choose your own, whatever that may be, and that's fine. I don't want to argue about what tokens what here. I'll leave that to you, but don't go out too much out of your ski tips, out of the risk curve. Bitcoin, ETH, Solana, everything else is more speculative. Remember that. So even when I talk about Sui, and you know I'm on the board of Sui, and so I am shilling it, but I'm actually not shilling it because I actually care about being buying it in the open market myself because I think it outperforms everything. You still shouldn't, if you're not a professional and you don't know what you're doing, God's sake, don't overweight this stuff too much. I don't want you to, because Raoul mentioned Sui a couple of times. Do not do that. Altcoins as a percentage of whether they're outperforming Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. No, not yet. We're just starting. We had the basing pattern. Now we're going to start. Might be a bit more chopping around, but alt season is here. That's Banana's own signature. Crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and ETH, breaking out. We should see a gigantic acceleration. Look at the acceleration we had back in 2020. It just exploded from 80 to 1,000. So that's 80 billion to $1 trillion. And we will see something more extraordinary this time, I believe. So let's look at a bit of price action, just because you want to know what's happening. Bitcoin, banana zone. Solana, banana. Hasn't broken the all-time high properly yet. It's kind of messing around, but the all-time high is higher, but banana centrale. Solana versus Bitcoin. So we showed you the Bitcoin chart. Looks great. Look at the Solana chart. It's been stable, but it's been going up since October 2023 or December 2023. It's been outperforming Bitcoin. It's the bet I've had from that period, and it's been a fucking lucky, great bet. Solana on-chain activity is huge. The applications are being built. It's got everybody's attention. This is a wedge pattern. It will break, and it will wildly outperform Bitcoin in the back half of the cycle, the alt season. So that's the one thing to notice. My other bet, and I haven't talked about this publicly, and I haven't done anything publicly really on Real Vision Pro Macro yet, or even GMI, because I've just noticed this chart pattern. This is SUI against Solana. This is one holy mother of God inverted head and shoulders. If this actually breaks, then we've got a gigantic move in SUI versus Sol. So that tells you if it breaks this, then SUI is the chosen one.
According to Raoul Pal, SUI has the potential to be the next Solana, and its performance is highly anticipated. According to him, this Layer 1 token might even do better in the current cycle than well-known assets like Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Pal cautions investors to exercise cautious and to think about important aspects before investing in assets like SUI. Pal believes that SUI has a lot of potential in the bull market, especially because of its low free float, a small number of tokens in circulation. He contends that a considerably higher price for tokens with modest free floats, such as SUI, requires less capital in a full-fledged bull market. In a prior post, Pal also talked on the potential benefits of low-float, high fully diluted valuation (FDV) tokens in bull markets. He clarified that although the restricted supply of these tokens causes their price to initially decline, any indications of increasing demand, whether from network activity or speculative interest, can cause the price to soar as demand exceeds supply. As crypto enters the crypto summer and crypto fall phases of the bull market, Pal believes tokens with low float and high demand could see exceptional gains. In addition to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and SUI, he's also keeping an eye on meme coins like Dogecoin, as well as his latest pick. Now, let's dive deeper into Raoul Pal's insights. Before we continue, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications for more expert crypto content. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Doge. This is another one that's in my portfolio, published in Macro Vision Pro Macro and Global Macro Investor. It's a fucking killer. Doge, it's like clockwork. Captures the attention like clockwork. And every time this part happens, it goes bananas. So Doge probably has a long way to run. That's in my 10% bucket of speculative stuff. The other one is obviously Lord Vishnu himself from the Smoking Chicken Fish. This chart is the giraffe looking over at a zoo fence. It is one of the most famous technical analysis patterns of all time, because obviously Lord Vishnu made it so. And if that is the case and it breaks the top, this giraffe is going out of the fence into the fucking moon. Smoking Chicken Fish is a meme I just like. It's funny, it's different, it's not a derivative, it has a church, it is stupid shit. It's also quite clever, but don't follow me, just do whatever you want in the Memecoin stuff. I'm just showing how ludicrous it can be. But the giraffe looking over a fence pattern, Julian Bittle showed me this deep technical analysis pattern. You can sell the amount of fundamental analysis work that's gone into this analysis, 0, but the chart looks good. And I like the meme. Okay, Bitcoin, where are we in the rally? Are we overbought yet? No, nowhere near overbought. So you guys are like, when's the top? When do I sell? Calm the fuck down. Cycle tops finder. This spells calm the fuck down all over it. Just hold, do nothing, stop PTSDing. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, I'm going to lose everything. Take some lifestyle chips off in due course. Just do the right thing. Just follow the don't fuck this up guidelines. I will try and help as many of you and teach you how to do it yourself, because I'm not a hero and I'm not a guru. Here's the cycles, blah, 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 colored charts up to the right. The one that matters. We've started the banana zone. You can see it breaking out on the chart. We ain't even accelerated yet. Lots more to come. It's Banana City lies ahead in the banana zone. Elon sending a rocket to Mars with bananas on it. What more do you need? We've got the institutions buying. We've got the ETFs. We've got regulations changing. Do nothing. Hold your bag. If you're new to the game, get in now. Don't wait too late, because too late will be too late. So just do your best.
Raoul Pal revealed a few unusual choices among other intriguing details regarding his present Bitcoin holdings. He cited Dogecoin, saying he thinks it has a lot of upside potential and that it's a part of his risky portfolio. Raoul expects Dogecoin's performance continuing to be strong because of its special capacity to attract attention and cause a price surge anytime it obtains traction. It is implied that it is a high-risk, high-reward strategy because he keeps it in his 10% speculative bucket. Raoul also shared his most recent favorite meme currency, Smoking Chicken Fish. approach, which he thinks is funny and smart. He clarified that it's something new and distinct, rather than merely another derivative. He referred to a technical analysis pattern in jokes, referring to it as the giraffe looking over the fence. He admits that the fundamental analysis is zero, yet he still finds the chart pattern entertaining and fascinating. Finally, he stressed that meme coins are speculative and that, even though he is enthusiastic about them, he does not advise recklessly following him in this field. Then Raoul moved on to discuss Bitcoin's current market status, reassuring viewers that it is far from overbought. He told viewers not to panic, stating that they should remain calm and not worry about finding the top of the market. His advice was, hold your position, take some profits when appropriate, but don't let fear control your decisions. He reassured that there's still plenty of growth ahead and encouraged viewers to stay patient as Banana Zone is just around the corner. If you found this breakdown insightful, please like this video, subscribe, and join the discussion in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.